Homework 8.1a, you're going to do the level 1 and level 2 questions. Question number 8 is the graph, that is a U-shaped graph, but this is upside down. Starting point is the vertex, that is this point 1 comma negative 1. The line that divides the parabola into two equal parts is this line, and that line is x equals 1. That's the x coordinate. So that's this. Domain is always negative infinity to infinity. The height of the graph is starting from the y value negative 1 and is going down and down and down. So starting from negative 1, it is approaching to negative infinity. If it is going down and down and down, it means it's approaching to negative infinity. From the left of 1, the graph increases. From the right side, the graph decreases. So from x is less than 1, which is this side, graph increases. X greater than 1, which is this side, the graph decreases. For question number 9, the vertex is going to be negative 2 comma 4, where axis of symmetry is going to be the x equals negative 2, the x coordinate. Now this line, that is the axis of symmetry, is going to divide the parabola into two equal parts. When it's less than negative 2, the graph decreases. So from less than negative 2, graph decreases. From greater than side, it increases. The height of the graph, or the range, is going to start from 4 and is going up and up and up. So from 4 to infinity is the range. Domain is always negative infinity to positive infinity. It means it takes all the left value of x and it takes all the value of x on the right side and left side. For number 10, vertex is 3 comma negative 1. X of symmetry is x equals 3. Domain is always negative infinity comma positive infinity, and the range is starting from 3 is going up and up and up, so infinity, 3 to infinity. Less than 3 means the left side, the graph decreases. Greater than 3 means the right side, graph increases. Now we are going to do level 2 and 3, where we are going to graph the function. By using the given x value, we're going to plug it into y values. So first we are going to use negative 1 and plug it in y value. 6 times negative 1 square, that's going to be 6 times 1. And then the first point is negative 1 comma 6. 6 times 0 square is 0, so 0 comma 0. And 6 times 1 square is going to be 6 times 1, that is 6, 1 comma 6. So negative 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the point, 0, 0, and this is the point. The graph is skinnier and stretched because it's multiplied with the a that is greater than 1. Next we are going to put y equals negative 1, and you got 8 times 1, that is 8. So negative 1 comma 8, y equals 8 times 0, so that's 0, 0 comma 0, and 8 times 1 square, and that's 8, 1 comma 8. So 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, negative 1 comma 8 and positive 1 comma 8. You can see that the graph is very skinny and it is narrow. So that's why, because it's multiplied with 8, that is number greater than 1. So it's a vertically stretched graph.